Hi, this is Das. Right, today I'll show you how to update the Apple Watch with WatchOS, the latest WatchOS. So to do so, to update an Apple Watch, Apple recommends that I'll put the watch on my charger, okay, and I'll supply the passcode over there and to unlock it. Now I'll go to the update section or to the settings over there. See here, I have already turned on the Bluetooth of this of my Apple Watch. Okay, basically to save energy, I turn the Wi-Fi as well as the Bluetooth off on my watch. Otherwise, every day I had to keep the charges. Okay, now on my to update this Apple Watch, I have to take the help of one iPhone, and I have iPhone 12 which is currently on iOS 18.3, the latest iOS. Okay, until unless I have the latest update installed on my iPhone, there is not possible to update the Apple Watch to its latest version. So see over here, this is my current iOS version which is showing as 18.3. Okay, now again I'll go to the watch app. Okay, this is the watch app. Okay, on the watch app, I'll show under about, I'll show what the version it is installed. Right now it is 11.2 and the build number is 22S101 and my Apple Watch series 9 GPS model name is this one. Okay, so now I'll check whether there is any software update or not, and see over here it is showing that the Apple Watch, WatchOS 11.3 has been started installing, and by somehow it has been paused, and now the time is showing that it requires 17 minutes to complete the particular update process. So again I'll start one stopwatch to see what the exact time is required to update process to be complete. Okay, so now what is new in this particular update is that as per Apple, there is this update includes improvements, bug fixes, and new Unity Rhythm watch face to honor Black History and culture in the celebration of Black History Month in the US. So probably those the users may know that every year in this time Apple releases one watch face to honor the Black History and Culture celebration of Black History Month in the US. Okay, so this is every year's custom, and this year is not also an exception. Okay, so now this update process is going on and already elapsed 57 seconds, sorry, 59 1 minutes it has already elapsed. And now let us see how much time it takes to complete actually. So still it is showing that 16 minutes remaining, and this particular time is required for the update or the update file to be downloaded from the Apple server. Okay, so let us wait, let us see how much time it would require, and see over here the stopwatch is still running. Sorry, the stopwatch is still running in the background. Okay, by mistake I have put the current clock over there, okay, which was showing the right now. What is the time right now? It was showing it is now 11:59, just the end of the day of 29th January. So whatever, in the background the particular stopwatch was running, and still it is running. So now I'll check what is the status of this update, and still it is showing that it will require another 13 minutes to complete. Time remaining is 13 minutes remaining. Okay, so let us see how much time it requires. So let us wait. Now see here, already 5 minutes and 5 seconds have been elapsed, and let us check what is the status. And see here, it was 332 MB almost the update size was, and still about 11 minutes is remaining for the update to complete. Now the particular update is currently downloading to watch, and as per Apple instruction, to install the update, make sure that the Apple Watch is on the charger and in the range of iPhone connected to Wi-Fi. Okay, so another instruction is that, or another caution is that, the installation will start when Apple Watch is charged to at least 50%, and do not restart or remove it from its charger. Okay, so I have, as per their instruction, I have connected the Apple Watch to the charger, and it is not removed. And see, okay, it is 63% charged. So as per Apple's instruction, it is, the watch is somehow ready to be installed, but until unless this bar is complete, okay, this bar is complete, the Apple Watch will not be installed to its latest update. Okay, so it is still some 9 minutes remaining for this update. Okay, so let us wait. Hence it is already 11 minutes 32 seconds have been elapsed, and still it is remaining almost 5 minutes to complete. Okay, so on 13th minute it is showing that about 2 minutes remaining to download. It is still downloading to watch, and let's see how much more time it would take to complete. Now on 15th minutes it is showing that almost 11 seconds remaining to complete the downloading process to my watch. So let us see what happens next. Now it is preparing, and there is no indication still now on my Apple Watch. So still it is preparing, and as per the instruction of Apple, I have not removed the charger, and though the charger is charging to 78%, okay, and still it is on the charger. So I have to provide the passcode once again to unlock the iPhone. Okay, so it is now still preparing, and time elapsed 16 minutes 20 seconds. Almost 21 minutes 35 seconds passed, and the Apple Watch is still being prepared for its latest update to WatchOS 11.3. So let us see how much more time it would take. And now in this stage there is nothing happened yet to the Apple Watch. It is still on charger and showing the time, and obviously the battery, it is right now 79% have been charged. Okay, so let us wait to see how much more time it would take to complete. Now it is still on preparation stage. Okay, now it is showing that it was a 392 MB update size, and it is asking me to right now to install or not. Now I'll install it, and it is now verifying, and the passcode is required. Please enter the passcode on your please enter your passcode on Apple Watch to continue the software update. So I have to supply the passcode on my Apple Watch over here to complete the update. Okay, so over here I'll enter the passcode. Okay, so I have entered the passcode, and it is asking me whether it will be proceed or cancel. I'll press on cancel proceed, and again it is asking for passcode, so I'll supply the passcode. Now something wrong has been happened. Okay, so unable to install. Open the app. I'll again try to install. What the failure has been happened, I don't know. Let me check what has happened there, and I have to go to the settings, and over settings I have to visit to the general section, and now it is showing that the WatchOS version is 11.2. Still it is on 11.2. That means the installation was not complete. Let me check what happens there. So again I'll try to install. It is showing to install. It is now getting verified. Now it is again asking to supply the passcode on the Apple Watch to continue the software update. So I'll provide the passcode over there on my Apple Watch. So I just have update provided. So it is again showing that I have to proceed and enter the passcode. So I'll provide the passcode right here, right now, and see what happens. Let us see what happens over here, whether it has been started installing. Okay, so it is right now installing, and see over here on my Apple Watch what is happening. Okay, so the progress bar is now pulsing over there to complete the update, and see here the time elapsed is 26 minutes 7 seconds already passed, and the update process on my Apple Watch has been started. So in the first time while I started installing and press install now on the Apple iPhone, most probably I have supplied the passcode, wrong passcode on my Apple Watch. So that is why the due to entrance of the wrong passcode, that time the Apple Watch did not update it. So after retrying the update process, that means by going to the uh, update section or the app section of the iPhone, I had to reinitiate the installation process. Then I had to re-enter the passcode on the Apple Watch. Then it started updating. So that may be a reason. That is why in the first instance the update was failed. So now let us wait, and it is already 27 seconds have been passed, sorry, 27 minutes have been passed, and the installation process is still on. So let us wait how much time it will take. We will see for the complete process to be updated. So now only 4 bars have been complete, and see over here on the iPhone it is showing that there is a warning. It is showing that it is right now installing, and also instructing that do not restart the Apple Watch or remove it from its charger until the update completes. Okay, so I am doing so. This iPhone is on its charger still. Okay, and I am not restarting or instigating anything to the Apple Watch so that the installation might be failed. So let us wait. Already 29 minutes have been passed, half an hour have been passed almost. So the process is still on. Let us check what the time exactly it will require to complete the process. So now on 30th minutes, see over here, Apple Watch has been restarted, and on my iPhone it is still showing that it is installing. Okay, and already 30 minutes passed, half an hour have been passed. The Apple Watch just restarted to complete the update process of installation. Let us wait and see how much more time it would take to complete. So now on 31st minute, my Apple Watch shows that the WatchOS 11.3, your Apple Watch is up to date with all the latest bug fixes and security enhancements. But on the Apple Watch, it is still completing its bar to complete, and still my stopwatch is running. It is showing 31 minutes or almost 32 minutes have been passed. Okay, the Apple Watch is still getting installed to its latest watch OS, that means 11.3, and in the meantime the watch is rebooting. Okay, so that means almost it takes 32 minutes, complete 32 minutes passed already, and still it is rebooting. And let us see what happens. Okay, so the reboot has been completed. Now I guess that the Apple Watch WatchOS 11.3 update process has been complete. So I'll go to the about section of the Apple Watch. On its going to the settings, and over there I'll go to the general, and on about, see over here the latest WatchOS 11.3 build number 22 is 555 have been installed to my Apple Watch Series 9, and it is now showing 33 minutes and 32 seconds have been passed, and the Apple Watch updation has been complete. So thank you guys, thank you very much, thank you for your patience.